This is a quick tour of the reading comprehension presentation for the week, and we're looking at the factors of reading comprehension on the actual reader. As you go through, we'll start with our weekly literature sharing, and you're going to hear a story called The Scarecrow's Hat by Ken Brown. Listen to the story, brainstorm how you'll use it, and then Dropbox your literature sharing ideas in your weekly literature sharing Dropbox. This is your resource page to see how I use the book, and also if you want to pin some resources that go along with that book, you can use the links that are listed right here. Read our weekly message, and also make sure you check out the journal question for the week so you know what you are learning for during this presentation. We'll start with an intro game. Follow the directions on the slide and you will be posting your answer on Padlet by clicking right here. Then we jump into our instruction for the week. This is just a read it slide and another read it slide and another read it slide. And we're going to continue on like this for a bit. Make sure you take the time to read on the chart the difference between explicit instruction and what is not considered explicit instruction, and you should be using these answers in your journal because they're the kind of things that I'll be looking for. We also have a timeline of the learner, how comprehension develops from pre-K to 4th grade. This activity is called an exclusion brainstorm. You're going to follow the directions right here. And this is not something you need to jot down. This is just for you to do for fun. So figure out the answers and then check it on the next slide, which I'm going to skip right over. Now, the next couple slides have a lot on them. Please take your time and work through them. First of all, you want to do the listen and learn video that's down here. And then you want to go through each of the different before reading strategies. So the next couple slides are a slide for before reading strategies, during reading strategies, and after reading strategies. And then I've broken each one of the strategies down into a video where you can see it happen. So read about it and then watch the video for each one. The same thing for the during reading strategies, except for there are now a few more. We have monitoring, repairing, connecting. I don't have questioning there because I think you know what that is. Visualizing, determining importance, and inferring. Please make sure though that you watch the listen and learn video before you go through the whole slide. And last but not least, after reading strategies, watch the listen and learn video and then go through each of the strategies with their video. A couple more read its. And we're going to jump right into some instructional activities that you can do for mini lessons to help your students become better understanders of what they're reading. So what you're going to do is go to D2L, to the presentation folder, and print out the activity. Then you're going to do the activity, which is a sorting activity. Then you can check your answers right here by watching this video. And if you need any clarification on any of the activities, you can use the links right here. Also, if you end up being assigned one of these strategies for your lesson plan project, you may want to use the links here to tell you more about each of those. This is a fun slide with 3 different videos for using a video for comprehension mini lessons. Make sure you watch the Listen and Learn podcast before you watch the videos. You're going to get a chance to try out finding some videos on your own. So watch this video for your try it out instructions, and at the end you'll share on Padlet right here. Last but not least, these are your directions for the week. Make sure that you complete them all. You have weekly journal number 8. There's the question. You have the weekly literature sharing for Scarecrow's Hat. You have 2 online activities for Padlet, slide 5 and slide 20. You need to Dropbox the instructional activity sort on slide 18. Skim chapter 7 and 12 for next week, and make your comprehension pin board with 10 pins.